I'm going to teach you a holiday snack hack. What if I told you that you can make a yummy snack board with anything having a fridge? Yes! You can make a holiday themed board that looks like you've been planning it for days. Hunter's not gonna have me help you. Hunter's not gonna have me help you. Did Betty show up with your cousin and some gifts? How about your boyfriend's parents that are in the neighborhood and they showed up unannounced? Don't worry, Wilson, they don't bite. What if your happy neighbor shows up with a holiday bottle ready to make cocktails? What am I going to feed him? Grandma shows up with a treat. What do I feed her? And my other grandparents show up to wrap gifts. What are they going to eat? Do you need to feed the holiday carolers who showed up spreading cheer? We have the perfect thing for you, a holiday snack board coming your way. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Cheeky Saucy Me Holiday Edition. It's the perfect board for any occasion. Whether you're at home, visiting, gathered together with co-workers, this recipe slays. Get it? If you like fun foodie videos, make sure to hit that jingle bell and subscribe. Round Peter, we're going to magically transform it. You can use anything you want, any kind of bread, any crackers, any wheat you want. We're going to use pita bread because it looks cute. You'll see. It's all about your imagination. Here is a lot of things I took out of the fridge. Yogurt, strawberries, bananas, all breakfast stuff that we are going to magically transform. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients I use for this board, but you can change it up. We have keep it stars. One big, one little. And to get started nearing, we got a little bit of everything here on this board for you guys. We have 5 cheeses, and they are white cheese, cream cheese. We have 2 crumble cheeses. We have goat and feta, and we have ricotta. So on our board we have our proteins. We have 2 types. We have turkey and salmon, guava paste, avocado, tamarind, roasted peppers, capers, pecans. For our spreads, we have fig spread that I love, and we have dulce leche spread that I love. Have you been naughty or nice this year? Comment down below. our pita bread in vertical and horizontal. And then I'm gonna do 2 diagonal cuts. I'm gonna start to cut my pita bread horizontal and vertically. Now I'm gonna cut my pita bread in half. Now I'm gonna insert our pretzel sticks into our pita bread. They're gonna be little Christmas trees. Isn't that cute? And comment below if you have a Christmas tree. Look at the little Christmas trees. My pita bread is cut and pretzeled up. Now we're going to put our cream cheese and our fig. You can do the same with crackers, but you won't have the nice Christmas trees. Now we're going to do our fig jam, and this is my favorite, if you guys don't know. And now we're going to do our salmon. Now we're going to drizzle some pesto on our pita bread. Snack line. Squirrels are not vegan. Now we're putting our salmon on our pita bread. Now we're putting our capers and our goat cheese on our pita bread. And guys, this is mad flavor, I gotta say. Now we have our salmon trees all done. Now we're doing our strawberry, Greek yogurt, honey, and pecan trees. These should be called breakfast trees. I'm putting on my yogurt. Now putting on our strawberries on top. Our finishing touch. Putting on my pecans and my honey. Now we're going to do the avocado, cheese, feta, olives, and turkey. Starting with avocado. 1-800 snack line. I'm using a ripe avocado for spreads.
Holy shit, what?
100 snack line, how may I help you? Elves do what? With elves. Prank call. I went ahead and I put our feta, turkey, and olives on a pita. No flavor coming at you! Hummus, champagne, roasted pepper. What to do? Put them on my trees. This pretzels and pita chips all day. Time for a champagne. And that's about it, guys. Time for our pepper. And do they look like ribbon or garland to you? Comment down below. I try to make my roasted pepper look like garland. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Yes. I think I saved the best for last. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting our juicy veggies spread first because it's very thick. Juicy veggie is like a caramel spread but with milk. Now I'm putting on avocado. Now we're doing our bananas. Now this is the last one, guys. This is how it's gonna look like when I'm done. Every tree needs a topper. Can you guess? A star. Now we're gonna be using our two cutters. Our big star and our little star. Can you think of a better topper than guava and white cheese together? They're so good together, guys. I love it. Imagine all that flavor I came out, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Now we're going to cut our stars in guava and white cheese. Guava and cheese, good to eat. And good for a topper. Now side bread reveal. Are you ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. This is what it looks like when you're all done. The variety of flavors coming at you. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, like, leave a comment. And happy holidays, everybody. Y feliz Navidad.